So next up, guys, a really nice dump truck here. So it's 2007 MACK GRANITE CV713. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but 567,000 miles, guys. But this did just get a new remacked, rebuilt motor there. Would have been in July of 2021. We'll have the exact miles and hours on the new motor. But it does have that going for it, guys. Really sharp looking truck, tri-axle, rust free, clean, 17-foot steel box. Obviously got your steerable tag there, camelback suspension. You get your rear hitch with electric and air hookups there. Max 10 speed, manual transmission. That motor is a Mack E7 motor as well, guys. But you got power windows, starts up, runs awesome. Manual tarp, very clean, nice looking truck. So I'm here with Stevie. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Fires right off there, guys. He's gonna run the box up and down here for you first, I believe. Thoughts? You'll have pictures of the frame and of the box, guys, but just a nice truck. Like I said, it's 2007 MACK CV713 Granite. Got a heavy built Mack dump trucks there, guys. No rudder back down. Big super singles up front. Nice clean interior. You've got heat, AC, power windows. All those type of things. Stevie's gonna go ahead, he'll take off with her here. You got all your lights there on the back too. So your tail lights are working. Got your pintle hitch. Real good sounding truck, guys. Then go ahead, he'll give you reverse as well as he backs it back into its parking spot. But if you're kind of in the market for a big dump truck, this one here, this one's in real nice shape. There's a demo, guys, in the 2007 MACK GRANITE CV713 dump truck. Good luck, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions.